welcome to the Ballyhoo Creations channel. For this very first video on the channel, I'm going to show you an easy craft. These are just little wrapped candies that you put in a bag with some scrapbook paper, embellishments. They're very easy to do. They're actually very inexpensive to make. They make a great gift or party favor or teacher gift. Let's go over to the craft table and I'll show you how these are done.
The supplies you need for this are some kind of decorative paper. I'm using scrapbook cardstock for this. You'll need the candy, Hershey's Nuggets. I used Werther's caramels, any kind of wrapped candy. You'll need a glue stick and some tape. The glue stick I'm using is the one from the Dollar Tree. You'll need scissors or a paper cutter. You will also need the plastic pretzel bags. I get these at Walmart. You can also find them on Amazon or wherever the cake decorating supplies are sold. They're the long, skinny plastic bags. And then any kind of embellishments of your choice, whether that's ribbons, stamped images, die cuts, stickers, whatever you want to use. So I'm going to use this paper called Jack and Jill, which I found at Tuesday Morning. It's a 6x6 paper pad for $2.99. And it's got a lot of pink and red, so I thought it'd work well for Valentine's Day. I'm going to cut the paper into 1 by 3 inch strips. I'm using my Carl paper cutter. You could use scissors for this as well. Just 1 inch by 3 inch strips works good for the Hershey Nuggets. And then for the backer card that's going to go in that pretzel bag, you want to cut it about 1/4 inch less than the width of the bag. If it's too loose, then everything shakes around in there. But if you cut it so that it fits tightly in the bag, then the chocolates don't shake around. So that's what I'm doing here, is making sure I've got the right width. And these pretzel bags you can buy like at Walmart. I get mine on Amazon, and they're meant for those chocolate dipped pretzels, but it works great for this project as well. These are the Hershey Nuggets, and I'm going to use a glue stick and put the paper on that little triangular wedge of the foil, and that way when you go to unwrap the candy, it helps to lift that foil off for you. But the glue stick doesn't stick too much. It's just the right amount of stick for a project like this, and it's non-toxic, not to mention it's very inexpensive for a glue stick. And then when you put the chocolate down on the table, the weight of it will hold that glue in place until it gets dry enough. So I haven't had any problems with these coming off with the glue stick. It works really well. So now I've got all of these candies wrapped, and I'm going to put them with the backer cards, just trying to decide what looks good with what. I like the pink with that beige printed, 3 different colors there, so 2 pink and then the beige, and then the other one I'm using, again, 3 different colors. Seems to work well when I'm doing this. So I went ahead and put the backer card in there. I'm going to not speed this up too much because I want you to see how patient you need to be when you're getting the chocolates in there. They tend to twist and turn around, so it gets frustrating. If you use a bone folder or something to help them slide in, that actually seems to go faster, but you'll still need to be patient. Just do one at a time, lift it over that card there, push it in. And then just line them up. I'm going to bend the back over and cut the excess off. And then I'll just fold it and put a regular piece of transparent tape on the back. So I've got 2 of these done. One has the 5 chocolates, one has 6. You can put however many you want in there. I've got some embellishments. One is the new Tim Holtz Tattered Butterfly. I really like that one a lot. And then there's the old Tim Holtz Heart from Sizzix. And I'm going to put some baker's twine around. I love baker's twine. I use it on a lot of different things. So I'll wrap it around twice and then tie a bow. I was trying to flower on there, but I never end up putting flowers on them. It just doesn't look right to me. You do what you want, though. Embellish these however you want. It's like any other altered project. And I put a tag on here, but it seemed too big, so I went ahead and cut it down. And I was just doing this manually. You could use a die to cut your tags, or I have the We Are Memory Keeper tag maker. You could use that too, but sometimes it's just faster to get out the scissors and cut it to size. So there's that one. Now for this one, I'm trying to decide. I'm going to probably just design it the same as the other one. I was looking at using some pink silk ribbon, but it doesn't go with the red and green. So I ended up with the black and white twine yet again. And for the caramels, these are a soft candy, so you have to be more gentle with these. It's the same process. The 1x3 strips will work, but you can cut off the end about a 1/2 inch on the end. So really 2.5 by 1 inch fits around these soft caramels by Werther's. And just don't press too hard, and then when you lay it down, it should dry just fine. And the other thing with these, because they have those twist tie ends on the paper wrappers, they won't fit in the same way that Hershey's Nuggets do. So I just put mine in diagonally like this.
So that's how it's done. I've got this whole tray of some candies that are finished. I'll give you a close-up look at these. But for now, got this old package of caramels here. This is left over from Christmas. I don't think they're going to last much longer. I think I need to eat them today. So, you know, got my Nespresso, got my caramels. I'm good to go. What more do you need? See you next time. Like and subscribe if you want to see more videos like this, because there's a lot more on the way.